Hi, I'm Masih Ahmadi, and in this video I'll show you a simple trick to get much cleaner bakes on your low poly models. First, import your model into Substance Painter and set up your baking settings like I have here. Once everything is ready, bake your mesh mat and let's see the result. As you can see, because the low poly and high poly meshes aren't matching perfectly, we are getting some baking artifacts. Now let's export the baked mesh maps. Go to Export Textures, choose the mesh maps preset, and export the maps you want to fix. I also recommend exporting your normal map in 16-bit for better quality. Next, let's jump into Blender. Here I'm using an Ambient Occlusion map as an example, but you can do the same thing with other mesh maps as well. Simply load the texture onto your model so you can paint directly on it. Now, grab the blur brush in texture paint and start cleaning up the problematic areas. Usually I do this for the AO curvature and sometimes the normal map if needed. Just smooth out the artifacts and blend everything together. When you're done, don't forget to save the edited textures. Now let's go back to Substance Painter. Drag the edited maps into your project and import them as textures. Then simply replace the original mesh maps with the cleaned versions. Right away, you should notice a much cleaner result and fewer baking artifacts. Here's a quick before and do comparison. It's a simple workflow, but it can save a lot of time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.